1. 1955 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed. Price $57,000, located Russellville, Arkansas. The 1955 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed is a remarkable custom pro street truck that blends classic pickup styling with modern high-performance engineering. Finished in eye-catching blue, this one-of-a-kind build has accumulated approximately 10,000 miles and features an extensively modified chassis designed specifically for outstanding strength and performance. Power comes from a Chevrolet 468 big block V8 equipped with a 4-bolt main block, steel crankshaft, hydraulic roller camshaft, and a powerful 671 supercharger fed by blower-specific carburetors. A drivetrain specialty's turbo 400 automatic transmission and performance torque converter deliver dependable power to a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a Detroit locker and strange 31 spline axles. Four-wheel disc brakes, Willwood master cylinder, tubular front control arms, triangular 4-link rear suspension, power steering, power windows, and a flaming river tilt steering column enhance drivability and comfort. The truck also features a custom Tri-5 dashboard, well-drag star wheels, and 2 interchangeable hoods, including one designed for blower clearance. With very low mileage since completion and a clean title, this professionally engineered Chevrolet is ready for shows, cruises, or serious street performance. 2. 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price $25,000, located Okmulgee, Oklahoma. The 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for enthusiasts seeking proven quarter-mile performance and a lightweight competition platform. Presented in excellent overall condition, this classic Nova has been carefully prepared to deliver consistent results on the drag strip while maintaining the timeless appearance that has made early Chevy 2 models so desirable among racers. According to the seller, this dedicated race car is capable of impressive 9.70-second passes, demonstrating the level of engineering and performance built into the vehicle. Its lightweight body and balanced chassis make it an ideal foundation for competitive racing, while its solid overall condition provides confidence for the next owner. Whether competing in local bracket races or adding another serious machine to a private collection, this Nova represents an excellent opportunity for experienced racers. The seller invites interested buyers to request additional technical information regarding the vehicle's complete specifications and setup. Combining legendary Chevrolet heritage, proven drag strip capability, dependable construction, and outstanding racing potential, this 1962 Chevy 2 Nova is ready for its next chapter on the track. 3. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price $36,000, located El Dorado, Kansas. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a solid American muscle car that combines classic first-generation styling with dependable V8 performance and numerous desirable mechanical upgrades. Finished in black, this Camaro has accumulated 12,345 miles and is powered by a strong 5.7-liter Vortec crate engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for reliable street performance. Power is delivered through a 10-bolt rear axle equipped with Posey traction and 3.08 gears, while traction bars and front disc brakes improve handling and braking confidence. Additional features include an aftermarket cowl induction hood, Summit Racing 4-barrel carburetor, dual Flowmaster exhaust system, and a respectable original-style interior complete with factory GM lap belts for both front and rear passengers. The seller notes that the vehicle originally left the factory in red before being repainted black, although cosmetic improvements could further enhance its appearance. Minor imperfections include a torn headliner and leaking front and rear windshields. Overall, this Camaro runs and drives well, offering enthusiasts an enjoyable classic that can be driven immediately while providing excellent restoration potential for future customization. 4. 1955 Chevrolet Chevy. Price $50,000, located Pebbly, Missouri. The 1955 Chevrolet Chevy is a beautifully built pro-street classic that combines iconic Tri-5 styling with impressive supercharged V8 performance and modern driving comfort. Finished in brilliant red, this clean title custom has been carefully upgraded with numerous premium performance components to deliver both reliability and excitement. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 355 roller engine topped with a powerful 671 supercharger and dual Holley carburetors, producing outstanding performance for street cruising or weekend events. A smooth shifting 700R automatic transmission works with a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 3.50 gears, while the professionally installed 4-link rear suspension and adjustable coilover shocks provide improved handling and traction. Four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, and power windows ensure a comfortable driving experience despite the car's impressive performance capabilities. Dakota digital gauges add modern instrumentation while preserving the classic appearance of the interior. According to the seller, the car runs and drives exceptionally well and remains in very good condition. This remarkable 1955 Chevrolet offers timeless styling, dependable engineering, and serious pro-street performance in one unforgettable package. 5. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price $53,000, located Justin, Texas. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a professionally built race machine that is fully prepared for competitive performance and serious drag racing enthusiasts. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this race-ready Camaro has accumulated only 300 miles since completion and is powered by a professionally assembled 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine featuring Brodix aluminum cylinder heads, forged JE pistons, forged crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, Harlan Sharp roller rockers, and a rear Morrison valve train. Fuel is supplied through a Holley Dominator carburetor mounted on a CNC machined Edelbrock intake, while a complete air-equipped fuel system and billet vacuum pump ensure dependable operation. A Power Glide transmission with racing clutches and trans brake transfers power through a fabricated Ford rear axle equipped with billet axles and strange center section. Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes and chassis research rear suspension provide outstanding control and stability. The sale also includes a well-equipped 2005 Classic Dominator XT race trailer featuring air conditioning and a quiet on and generator, creating an exceptional turnkey package ready for race day. 6. 1971 Plymouth Duster. Price $25,000, located Brinkley, Arkansas. The 1971 Plymouth Duster is a purpose-built drag racing machine that combines lightweight Mopar styling with proven strip performance and dependable race components. Finished in bright yellow, this two-owner classic has accumulated approximately 100,000 miles and has been carefully prepared for competitive eighth-mile racing. Power comes from a dependable 340 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for quick and consistent launches. The car features lightweight Lexan windows, a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle, and a professionally built Alston chassis designed to provide outstanding rigidity and safety during hard acceleration. The seller also notes that the vehicle includes a complete electronic racing system and fresh tires, ensuring it is ready for immediate competition. According to the listing, this Duster consistently runs impressive 6.24-second eighth-mile passes, demonstrating its serious performance capability. Combining classic Plymouth muscle car styling with race-proven engineering, this 1971 Duster offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a dependable drag car that is ready to compete without requiring extensive additional modifications. 7. 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price $34,000, located Wiley, Texas. The 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a professionally constructed drag racing chassis built specifically for serious bracket racing and high-performance competition. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body mounted on a full round tube chassis, this race car has been completely refreshed with nearly every major component replaced during its comprehensive 2018 rebuild. The drivetrain is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Power Glide transmission, making it an outstanding platform for competitive racing. Premium equipment includes a strange ultra-case rear axle with 40-spline Moser axles, carbon fiber driveshaft, strange adjustable front struts, Connolly rear shocks, RacePack IQ3 digital dashboard, Motion Raceworks shifter, MSD grid ignition system, automotive a 2000 fuel pump, KNR air compressor, and a fully digital delay box system. Weld racing wheels complete the aggressive appearance while supporting dependable track performance. According to the seller, the car has completed fewer than 400 runs since the rebuild and drives exceptionally well. Designed for fast bracket racing and competitive events, this professionally assembled Cutlass provides outstanding reliability, modern race technology, and exceptional performance potential for experienced racers. 8. 1979 Chevrolet Nova. Price $25,000, located El Reno, Oklahoma. The 1979 Chevrolet Nova is a serious drag racing machine built around proven big block Chevrolet performance and dependable race-ready components. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle with competitive capability, this Nova weighs approximately 3,300 pounds in race trim and is powered by a formidable 505 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine. A professionally prepared reed case powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake and 1.80 straight cut gear set delivers reliable launches, while the factory-style suspension enhanced with QA1 adjustable shocks provides excellent stability and traction. Supporting equipment includes an MSD grid ignition system, MSD distributor, MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump, and durable Moser axles for dependable power delivery. The seller also includes a complete parts car, adding significant value and providing additional components for future upgrades or maintenance. Built strictly for performance, this Nova combines proven mechanical reliability with impressive straight-line capability, making it an outstanding option for bracket racing or weekend drag strip competition. According to the seller, the vehicle includes many additional upgrades beyond those listed, creating an exceptional opportunity for serious racing enthusiasts. 9. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price $75,000, located Little Elm, Texas. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is an extraordinary pro-street classic that combines iconic Tri-5 styling with breathtaking supercharged performance and exceptional craftsmanship. Finished in elegant black with a matching black interior, this street-legal machine has traveled fewer than 500 miles since its professionally rebuilt engine was completed 2 years ago. Power comes from a massive 572 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 equipped with a WEON 871 supercharger producing approximately 3 pounds of boost for street driving and up to 8 pounds when fully adjusted. The engine is backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission with gear vendor's overdrive, delivering both impressive acceleration and comfortable highway cruising. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.70 gears, rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, and oversized rear tires complete the professionally engineered drivetrain. According to the seller, the vehicle comfortably produces around 1,000 horsepower while remaining reliable enough for regular street use without overheating. With well over $100,000 invested throughout its history, this remarkable Bel Air represents a premium custom classic built to impress at every show, cruise, and performance event. 10. 1968 Chevrolet Malibu. Price $20,000, located Eufaula, Oklahoma. The 1968 Chevrolet Malibu is a professionally built pro-street roller that offers an outstanding foundation for anyone planning a powerful street or drag racing project. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this classic muscle car has accumulated 99,721 miles and features a properly constructed chassis designed to handle serious horsepower. Previously configured with both a big block Chevrolet engine and later a twin-turbo LS combination, the car has already proven its ability to support high-performance drivetrains. Built with ladder bars and capable of accommodating either large or small rear tires, the chassis provides excellent flexibility for future customization. The vehicle is being sold as a roller without an engine, transmission, or electronic components, allowing the next owner complete freedom to install a preferred powertrain. Although the car does not include a title, it retains its VIN plate and has reportedly been assembled correctly using quality components throughout the build. Whether your goal is competitive drag racing or an aggressive pro-street cruiser, this 1968 Malibu offers exceptional potential with a strong, race-ready platform already in place. 11. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price $35,000, located Cordova, Tennessee. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 is a professionally prepared drag racing machine built for serious competition while showcasing the unmistakable styling of one of Chevrolet's most respected compact muscle cars. Finished in gray, this purpose-built race car has accumulated only 1,003 miles and is powered by an all-aluminum 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with dual nitrous systems for exceptional horsepower. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley Sniper fuel injection system running on methanol, ensuring consistent performance during demanding race conditions. The lightweight chassis weighs approximately 2,400 pounds without the driver, contributing to impressive acceleration and competitive elapsed times. Additional race equipment includes a Dana 60 rear axle, aerospace 4-wheel disc brakes, wheelie bars, digital dial boards, and a Stroud red, white, and blue parachute for enhanced safety during high-speed runs. According to the seller, the car consistently records impressive 5.60 eighth-mile passes using engine power alone. Buyers also have the option to purchase the complete engine, transmission, converter, and fuel injection package separately, making this an excellent opportunity for experienced racers. 12. 1971 Datsun 240Z drag car. Price $24,000, located McKinney, Texas. The 1971 Datsun 240Z drag car is a unique custom-built race machine that blends the timeless styling of Nissan's legendary sports coupe with dedicated drag racing engineering. Finished in sleek black with a silver interior, this clean title classic has traveled approximately 300 miles since completion and remains in excellent overall condition. Built specifically for competitive drag racing, the lightweight 240Z chassis provides an outstanding platform for exceptional straight-line performance while maintaining the distinctive fastback profile that has made these cars highly desirable among collectors and racing enthusiasts alike. The seller describes this vehicle as a custom-built drag car, reflecting extensive modifications designed to maximize racing capability and reliability. Equipped with a manual transmission, it offers complete driver control and an engaging competition experience. Whether used for local bracket racing, exhibition events, or further performance development, this Datsun stands apart from traditional American drag cars with its distinctive Japanese heritage and race-focused construction. Combining lightweight design, clean presentation, and outstanding customization potential, this 1971 Datsun 240Z represents an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts seeking something truly different on the drag strip.